More than 85% of undergraduates in the University of Maryland's College of Computer, Mathematical, and Natural Sciences conduct research or complete an internship before they graduate. How does hands-on learning transform the student experience? We talked to a handful of students who pursued opportunities in the summer of 2017 to find out.
This summer, I went to Peru. I had an internship with an organization called Fauna Forever. I was doing some research with birds in both the lowland and the cloud forest. I actually had a specific job to find a specific bird, which was the Andean cock of the rock. We were looking for where they lek, which is the word that we use for basically where they do their baiting displays. We found them. It was tough. It was a lot of hard work to find them. They are very specific in where they go, so they only go to one tree in the forest. All the males will go there and kind of do this really bizarre dance, and they'll squawk at each other and like bow and do all these weird movements. It was like nothing you would see here in the US. It was something really special and different.
For many, internships serve as a preview of professional life, giving students a competitive edge when applying for jobs.
I spent the summer as a software engineering intern at Indiego. Indiego is a crowdfunding company, just like Kickstarter. I was specifically working on their marketplace product, and I was treated just like any other engineer on the team. I was able to work on a lot of really cool stuff and just kind of making it a more sustainable product that hopefully will make it so engineers in the future have a much easier time working with it. Indiegogo was fantastic when it came to mentorship. I was kind of determined to do it on my own, but they were very, very ready to help.
While many summer positions require travel, there are some great opportunities right here on campus as well.
So I've been in the lab since September of 2016, and at first I observed and I took notes, and I learned the techniques of VSFG, or vibrational sum frequency generation spectroscopy. And this technique is important because it's helping us better understand how liquids and solids behave. In the following semester, I continued to assist by helping with data analysis and also trying to implement some of the techniques. In the summer, I've actually been beginning to conduct some of my own experiments with the lasers. I think working over the summer has been an important experience for me because it's helped me develop skills that I otherwise wouldn't have had time to develop.
Research and internships prepare students for the next move in their career, be it a job or graduate or professional school.
This past summer, I did research at the University of Cambridge with the X-ray astronomy group at the Institute of Astronomy. As part of the STAMPS Charitable Foundation scholarship that I had here at the university, I had a $5,000 research grant that I was awarded with my scholarship, and I was told to use this to do some sort of opportunity you'd never be able to get to do any other way. And I thought that Cambridge would be a wonderful way of doing that. I worked with an X-ray space satellite called the XMM Newton Observatory. What we were trying to do was to show that the central black hole is heating the surrounding environment. And for 3 of the 5 systems we looked at, we found that was the case.
Along the way, students encounter new cultures, new people, and new social experiences.
I really enjoyed myself. I got to go to 2 different countries, so I was in the UK and I was in France. I took up rowing on the Cam River. I cycled around a lot. There were some formals with the grad students. It was a really eventful summer, really enjoyable. I got to do things I never thought I would be able to do.
I definitely suggest going to all these different cities and trying to intern while you can, because we're in a unique position while you're in college.
So I'm already thinking about next summer. What they said was that once you start field work, if you love it, and you're gonna wanna go back. And I guess I fell into that cycle, because now I gotta go back.
To fund more summer opportunities for our students, we need your help.